Any questions? Let's go. A 4 kg block slides down a 30-degree incline with a coefficient of kinetic friction of 0.2. What is the net force on the block? G equals 2 meters per second squared. So if we just draw this out really quickly, we have our block with the friction, and it's going this way, which weighs about 4 kg. So to figure out the net force, we need to figure out the forces acting on this block. So the forces acting on this block, we have the force of gravity, which is making it go down, and then we have the kinetic friction, which is opposing the force of gravity, and those are net forces. Now to figure these out, the force of gravity is equal to mg sine of theta. This is something you just have to know for these incline problems. And the force of kinetic friction is equal to the coefficient of kinetic friction times Fm. And Fn, normal force, is equal to mg cosine of theta. So let's solve for the first force of gravity. Force of gravity, mg sine of theta equals 4 kg times 10 sine 30. Now sine of 30 is approximately 1/2. It's something you have to know from your unit circle. 4 times 10 is 40, times by 1/2, 20 newtons. And force of kinetic friction is equal to 0.2 times the normal force, is mg cosine theta, which is 4 times 10 to the cosine 30. Now cosine of 30 is approximately 0.86. 4 times 10 is 40, and 40 times 0.86 is approximately like 34. And now we have 0.2 times 34. This gives you about 6.8. And now if we subtract the force of gravity by kinetic friction, as we derived up here, 20 minus 6.8, this gives you 13.2 newtons. And you might be inclined to think, oh, the answer is 14. And I'll tell you why you have to be careful why it's not 14. Because we assume gravity is 10 while it's normally 9.8, that means we actually overestimated a little bit. So that means the answer is going to be closer to 12 newtons than 14. I just wanted to put that out there. All right, thank you for watching. Goodbye.